Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Then let's tap on status bar here, and at the very bottom we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap. As you can see in this device we've got three different options, so hide, and we've got only the battery indicator, inside, so the percentage will be displayed inside the battery icon, and outside, so it is much more visible and it is displayed on the right. So obviously just choose the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.